If you guys want to up your game on your flake floors, take a look at this. This is pretty cool. This is the gold. That's pretty awesome. You got white, you got bronze. Some other cool ones over here. This is called Crystallina. It's got like a rainbow effect going on. And then we've got a holographic one. That's cool. Right here we've got Domino with 3% holographic flakes. Check that out. Got a rainbow looking flake in there. Check out the Sea Mist blend with 3% Crystallina. That's wild looking. I love that. Here's Aurora with 3% holographic flakes. So if you want to take your floor from just a regular looking flake floor up to a high-end looking terrazzo floor, I suggest you get a hold of us, get you hooked up with some of these glitter flakes.